given. Another type of question what we can expect is dealing with the three sets now and shading them. So let's call these sets as A, B, and C. A, B, C. This is again A, B, C. This A, B, and C. And I'm just randomly picking up a few cases here. Let's say the first one we have to do A intersection B intersection C. Then let's say we have A intersection B union C, or A complement intersection B union C maybe. Okay. All right. So the basic remains still the same. And the basics are you have to see how many regions are there and you label the regions first. So for these type of three sets, we always have 8 regions. If I have to label them, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is outside. Acha, to keep the thing simple, it's advised to add a bracket yourself. Sometimes they do give a bracket between two sets, and sometimes they don't. So if they are not giving you the bracket between two sets, you can apply the bracket yourself to keep the thing simple. For this, the first part, A intersection B intersection C, I'm adding the bracket myself here for A and B intersection C. So first I'll focus on A and B, and then I'll find the intersection of A and B with the set C. So for A and B, I'm doing it directly. A and B, look for the common of A and B. So for A and B, the common part is this hole. This hole. This hole is there in A and B. So I'm writing 2 and 5. Intersection C. For C, we have how many regions for C we have? For C, we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is all there in C. So 4, 5, and 7. Finally, the common region to be shaded is region 5, intersection. It's 5 only to be shaded. So 5 to be shaded means this is the final answer. Next part, A intersection B union C. Here again, I'll add a bracket myself. Choice is yours. If you want to keep a bracket between A and B or B and C, both will give the same result. So this time I'm adding a bracket on the later two sets, B union C. Okay, B union C. If I have labeled the regions first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So B union C, what B and C does is, union does is they combine. So combine of B and C, it would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection with A. A we have is 1, 2, 4, 5. Finally, the intersection, the common part, it's 2, 4, and 5. 2, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 4, 5. So 2, 5, and 4. Yeah. Next part, this is again labeling the regions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll add the bracket myself. I am adding the bracket here. A complement intersection B union C. So A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B means A would be removed from B. Remember the shortcut intersection complement. If it says a complement intersection, if this as a whole is used, a complement intersection, then it means remove a. If it says b complement intersection, b complement intersection means remove b. It's a shortcut to be remembered. If it says, uh, for example, if it says intersection C complement, for example, the intersection C complement means remove C. Remove C. Okay, so I'm focusing on this here, A complement intersection. A complement intersection means remove A from B. So remove A from B means you'd be left with remove A from B. So from B, B is 1, 2, 5, 6, right? B is 1, 2, 5, 6. So from 1, 2, 5, 6, if you may remove A, you'd be getting only 1 and 6. So this part is 1 and 6. Union. And for C we have is 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, their combined answer it would be 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to shade these 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 5, 4, and 7. Okay, so this is all about shading the three regions. Is this all clear? Or do you want me to do one more example? Guys, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Or should
sir.
or should I do one more example related to it? I'll do one more example. So let's say this is now PQR. And I'm using the complements here. So this time I'm saying uh, P intersection R whole complement intersection. Okay, shortcuts to be remembered as we discussed earlier, intersection complement case. So you see intersection and complement is there. The intersection and complement is there. That means you'd be removing complete P and R from Q. Let's follow the steps if you cannot do it directly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So P union R. P union R, it would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is P union R. And its complement, this is P union R, right? This is P union R. And P union R whole complement, that means removing it from the universal. Removing it from the universal, we'd have 3 and 8. And its intersection with Q. Intersection with Q, Q we have is 2, 3, 5, 6. Finally, the intersection between both, it's 3 only. So 3 to be shaded. Okay. And then you can move the additional numberings. All right, so this is all about shading the field. And this was all about the first type of questions that we are given with the set notations, and we have shaded the diagram for both two sets and three sets. We are done. And now we are going for the second type of question, which is shaded region given, and you have to write the set notation. Now, this is a scenario, this is a case where students sometimes make mistakes when the shaded region is given and you're supposed to write the set notation. And for this, you have to remember a few basic tips. Like here, consider these cases. The results. The result of A complement intersection B. Look at the result here. As I said earlier, intersection complement. All please bear this thing in mind. Intersection complement means that you have to remove that part. So A complement intersection B means you have to remove A from B. What does this mean is you have to remove remove A from B. I'm repeating this word again, intersection complement. Wherever you see intersection complement, that means you have to remove that set. Intersection complement, you have to remove it. Intersection complement. Look at the third case, case 3 now. The third part here. The result of third part, that means this is now B being removed from A. You see, there is no part of B involved in it. That means B is removed from it. That is why it's A intersection B complement. So A intersection B complement means this B has been removed from A. So remove B complement intersection means remove B from A. So this is how you handle intersection complement. Next thing about union to be remembered. So this was few tips to be remembered about intersection. About intersection, few things should be remembered. And now about union to be remembered. So whenever you have union involved, union B means complete B should be there. So wherever you see union, that set has to be completed there. Always, whenever you see union, always shade that union part first. Oh, sorry, always shade the union part later. But that union part has to be there. So you see, in second part, it's A union B whole complement. So what you do is A union B means combine A and B together, and whole complement means now remove them from the complete universal set. So A union B means first you combine A and B. A union B means you first combine A and B, combine A and B, and remove from universal. Okay, so these are the few tips to be remembered for doing the reverse case. Reverse case means the shaded region given and set notation is to be identified. So I have picked up a few questions from the past paper here. Now, the first part, just a second. So first part, it says, use set notation to describe the shaded region. Now look at the shaded region here. This is only part of N here with no M. With no M means M has been removed from N. And whenever it's a case of removal, it's always intersection complement. Since M has been removed from N, so M has been removed from N, we'll write this as N intersection M complement. Either you write in this way or you write it as M complement intersection N. They both mean the same thing. That means a part of M has been removed from N. Okay. Second example. Use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. Now, if you may see here, everything is shaded, right? Every single thing is shaded except this common region. The except common region means you have to think. Common region is the intersection. This is X intersection Y. This is a common region. And this has been removed from the universal. So remove from the universal means for removal from the universal, you always take complement. So after finding their common, you are removing it from the universal. I repeat again, two steps. After finding the common X intersection Y, you remove it from the universal. So it would result in X intersection Y whole complement. Is this clear? Is this all clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next example, third part. So what do you think? What should be the answer for here, the third part?
A union B union C whole complement.
Excellent. So that means A, B, and C, they all have been removed from the universal. So first you combine them, A union B union C, first you combine them. And after combining them, you removing it as a whole from the universal, giving us A union B union C whole complement. Part 4. What do you think about this one?
A intersection C intersection B complement.
A intersection C, no. Look, what they have done is they have removed A and C from B. They have removed A and C from B.
A
So
union C whole complement intersection B.
exactly. So first you combine A and C and then you remove it from B. So either you write A union C whole complement intersection B or you write B first. It's the same thing. A B intersection A union C whole complement. That means removing A and C from the universal. And there's one more way of writing it. You can also write this as B intersection B removing A and removing C. So both these answers are acceptable. Okay, the third part, the fourth part, sorry. This is fourth. No, sorry, this is fifth. This is fifth and this is sixth. What do you think about these ones?
Uh, P union R union Q complement.
P union R is correct, and you are removing Q from it, right? So removing Q from it means it would be intersection Q complement because you are removing Q from P and R, isn't it? Is this correct? Or another way of writing is you're removing Q from P as well as you're removing Q from P union and you're removing Q from R also. That's another way of writing it. So both these answers are acceptable. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This last part. You are removing B from the intersection of A and C.
A intersection C intersection B complement.
Excellent. Okay, so this was all about shading the Venn diagrams. I have picked up a few questions for you. These 4 questions. I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. quickly solve these and let me know the answers. All right, so these are all the correct answers for the questions given to be done. I hope you have got all these answers correct. Thanks for watching.